Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about those stubborn soap stains from the touchless car wash that won't come off, so that conversation is coming up. Back with the 2021 model year Model 3 and all Model Ys, the chrome trim was chrome deleted stock to a black trim. This stock trim is actually aluminum and has an anodized coating to help protect it. So because of this, what happens when you go to the touchless car wash is the harsh chemicals that they use at these car washes leave a soap residue on this trim, which is really hard to get off by just rubbing it or using like a mild soap to try and get it off. These harsh chemicals actually have a low and a high pH to help break up the dirt from that's on the car without actually touching it, and a side effect of this is the soap residue. But lucky for me, since I hand wash my cars with a pressure washer and foam cannon, I don't have to deal with this. But I know a lot of people do, and so this is why I'm making the video. And I totally get it. Sometimes it's just easier to spend 5 minutes at the car wash than slaving away for like about an hour in my case. So if you've taken your car through a touchless car wash and you now have this soap residue, how do you get rid of it? The answer is actually pretty easy. All you need to do is use stainless steel wipes that have a neutral pH, and all you need to do is wipe. You can also use WD-40 as kind of a hack, which will work as well. Now I know what you're thinking, WD-40? That's kind of weird, isn't it? Don't we usually use WD-40 to lube up bolts and hinges and things like that? Now while this is true, WD-40 is actually in the oil family of products called water displacement lubricants. So it can also help break up that soap residue just like these stainless steel wipes. I'll link both below in the description in case you want to buy. And that's really all there is to it. Use a stainless steel wipe the trim, or take some WD-40, put it on a towel, wipe it, and then take a clean part of the towel and wipe it again, and your trim is going to be as good as new. From what I've read though, I think this is a problem that Tesla has solved. So what I've been seeing is that on the 2023 Model Y, just the Model Y for right now, they have a new protectant on the coating to actually prevent this soap residue from sticking when you go through touchless car washes. And as we know, pretty much everything that goes to the Model Y ends up coming to the Model 3 at some point. So I'm sure at some point the Model 3 will get this new coating as well. And then the Model 3, you won't have to deal with this at all either. So this is one cool thing about Tesla and Elon, that basically when people complain about it, or he's made aware on Twitter, he makes updates and changes to fix the problem. And in this case, it looks like he has made the update, and so hopefully we'll see these new Model Ys roll out sooner than later with this coating, and it just makes it more convenient for everyone. Do you have any Tesla friends that have this problem? Well, now you can be the pro and tell them how to fix it. So if you have any comments, let me know below, and thanks for watching.